right, today we're working in page 7 of our math journal, and I have folded this into thirds, okay? And we're going to start writing on the pink line here, all right? So we're going to work with that. Let me adjust this a little bit. Looks like it's a little crooked. Okay, here we go. So first off, we talked about value, the value of a number yesterday. And we talked about what a digit was. All right, and we talked about how the digit 5 is worth a whole lot more if it's in the hundred spot than if it's worth in the one spot. So we're going to do a quick page on value, so you remember the value of a number. So first off, starting on my pink line, right here, the pink line that goes down the side, and starting on the second blue line, I'm going to draw one pencil line here, okay? And then leave a little space, and then starting a little bit after my fold, I'm going to draw another pencil line here and stop, and then a little after my fold here, I'm going to draw another pencil line, okay? Now, as we know, this spot right here, who can raise their hand and tell me what this spot is in place value? Yes, this is the ones spot. So right here, with my neatest writing, I'm going to write ones. And I'm going to underline this line right here. I'm going to trace over this line in red. Now I'm going to move to this spot. Who can raise their hand and tell me what this spot is?
The tens spot.
This is, you're right, this is the tens spot. So I'm going to, in my neatest writing, write tens, and I'm going to underline that line in yellow. And then I have my last spot here. What is this spot?
It's the hundred spot.
This is the hundred spot. So I'm going to write the word hundreds. I'm going to start a little in front of the pink line so it fits. Hundreds. Make sure you spell it right. H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S. Hundreds. And then I'm going to trace over that line in blue. My hundredth spot is going to be blue. Now, we talked yesterday about our digits, and our digits are, say them with me, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are our digits. Digits make all other numbers. I'm going to put the same digit in each spot. Let's use the digit 5. So I'm going to put a 5 in the hundreds, a 5 in the tens, and a 5 in the ones. The number that we have made is 555. Now we need to talk about the value. Here we have 500s. Now I'm going to do all my writing right here in my 100 spots. You're not going to go over the full. I'm going to draw an arrow down. And I need to write what the value of this digit is. So I'm going to write the value of this digit is what? Who can tell me what the value of this digit is? Everyone. Yes, this is 500, period. So notice I did not go over my fold, and I have a complete sentence here. I started with a capital letter, and I ended with a period. The value of this digit is 500. Then I'm going to move to my 10 spot, and I'm going to draw another arrow, and I'm going to keep all of my writing for this one here. Here I have 5 tens. What is the value of 5 tens? Everyone? 50. So the value of this digit is 50. Okay? The value of this digit is 50. Capital letter ends with a period. Last, I have my ones place. And I'm going to say the value of this digit is what, everyone? 5. Yep. The value of this digit is 5. Make sure that you have capital letters and periods and you didn't leave any words out, because this is place value. Value is how much something is worth. Value. So what I want you to do is I want you to remember that this page is value. So down below, big, we're going to write value in capital letters. Value. Value. V-A-L-U-E. And then I'm just going to take and trace over with my yellow crayon. Kind of highlight this so that when you have a test and you're looking in your journal, you will be able to find the page on value quickly. Value. Another way to do value is if you pull this digit out, 5, this is a 3-digit number, and if I want to know the value of this digit, I pull out the 5 and I make the other 2 places zeros. That'll give me 500. Okay. Go ahead and finish up. This is all we're going to do for page 7. Thank you for working hard.